Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The News. As you can see, things have taken a drastic turn for the better. 2 weeks ago, it was minus 45. Last week, it was minus 20. And today, it's supposed to be plus 7. Welcome to Calgary. All I know is that my head consistently hurts. But you're here for the news. We are here at beautiful Big Hill Springs Park. So check this out, and let's get right into it. For the 2024 model year, the Mustang got a bronze package, which gives you a bronze logo, bronze wheels, bronze calipers, basically makes all the trim bronze. It looks like the Mach E is getting the same treatment. Now, this photo set that Ford released displaying the bronze package is absolutely stunning. The green paint and the bronze trim look so good together. I think that this is one of the best looking vehicles out there right now. The wheels look amazing. The front grille definitely stands out a lot more, and then you have that really nice bronze GT logo in the back. Let us know down in the comments what you think about the bronze package on both the Mustang and the Mach E. Moving on, it looks like the GT California Special Mustang has been caught testing on public roads. Now, if you look here, these spy shots show that it looks like it gets a stripe package, it gets a wing in the back, and it gets some different wheels. The California Special has been a trim level on the Mustang for decades, so it is really cool to see them bringing back, obviously, this almost heritage name by now and putting it on the 2024 Mustang. Let us know down in the comments what you think about the 2024 GT California Special, and let us know what other trims from the past you want to see revived. The 2023 Mustang had the Mach 1, and that was actually a very fun car to drive. So, I'd like to see them come up with something that they haven't done in a very long time, maybe pull from the past. Who knows? Let us know down in the comments what you want to see Ford do next. The average family household these days has 16 connected devices. That means 16 devices that are connected to the internet or connected to each other, that speak to each other, that work together and help you with your day-to-day business. Now, Ford understands this, and that is why they have released the new Ford Digital Experience. This is going to replace the infotainment system going forward on 2025 models. It looks like it is amazing. So from these pictures, it's going to unveil itself on the Lincoln. What you have is a normal screen like you would have in any other car right now. So you have the infotainment system, which is like a little tablet on the dash. But beyond that, you have a massive screen that spans the length of your dash. Now, in front of the driver, you're gonna have your information like your navigation, you're gonna have your speed, you're gonna have, your drive, park, you're gonna know which, gear you're in. But it stretches across all the way to the passenger side. Now, on the passenger side, you're going to have the weather, you're gonna have news updates, you're going to have a bunch of stuff that is going to be convenient for them, which is really cool because at the end of the day, the passenger is obviously included in the experience of driving now, which is obviously not just sitting there and holding on for dear life. So these pictures are amazing. I actually would love to see one of these in person. It looks amazing. Let us know down in the comments what you think about the new digital experience from Ford. Is it too much? Do you think that this is actually maybe a touch on the distracted driving side? It'll be interesting to see when it comes out. Hopefully we can get our hands on one and I can do an in-depth review on the channel here. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. And last but not least, it looks like the demand for the new GT3 and GT4 Mustang from Ford Performance has skyrocketed. So much so to the point where they're actually increasing production on them, which is so cool to see. I've long said that Ford Performance has really doubled down on motorsport and is really helping grassroots all the way up to the most professional level of racing, and it is one of the coolest things to see. It's cool to be a part of it, obviously, working for Ford and seeing them come out with this stuff, and it is cool to see all the technology from these cars trickle down into the production models. Like I said last week, the Spec D Drift team actually helped in conjunction with Ford to create a drift mode in the new Mustang. It has a drift handbrake, which is so cool. So we're excited to see that. Obviously, we're gonna follow along. There's some endurance races coming up. Daytona 24 Hours is coming up, which is gonna be a crazy race. I think there's both classes, GT4 and GT3 racing in it. So let's stay tuned. As soon as that race happens, I will let you guys know how the Mustangs did. I'm fingers crossed, and my guess is they're gonna do pretty well. So let us know down in the comments what you think about today's episode. Please remember to like and subscribe. Obviously, if the weather continues to be nice like this, I will remain outside and continuing to do these out in the wilderness, middle of nowhere. There's not even cell reception where I am right now, which is fantastic. But let us know down in the comments what you think, and I will see you next week.